In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter a 1099-G for unemployment income in your tax return. If you received unemployment benefits during the year, you may also receive a Form 1099-G showing the amount that was paid to you. This form is important because unemployment compensation is generally taxable, so you'll want to make sure it's entered correctly in your return. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the simple path to find the right section and add the information from your form. To get started, go to the Wages and Income section of your return. This is where you'll enter many of the income documents you received throughout the year, including forms related to jobs, government payments, and other taxable income. Once you're in that section, look for the area marbut to unemployment income and select unemployment, which is tied to Form 1099-G. After opening that section, click Add 1099-G. This will begin the entry process for your unemployment form. Have your 1099-G in front of you so you can copy the information directly and avoid mistakes. It's always best to enter the details exactly as they appear on the form. When prompted, input the payer details from the 1099-G. This typically refers to the government agency that issued your unemployment benefits. Be sure to enter the payer information carefully so the form is recorded accurately in your return. Then enter the Box 1 amount exactly as shown on the form. Box 1 usually reports the total unemployment compensation you received during the tax year, so this number is especially important. As you enter the amount, take a moment to double check that you didn't accidentally add extra digits, miss a decimal, or transpose numbers. Even a small typing error can affect your return, so a quick review can save time later. Once the payer details and Box 1 amount have been entered, you've completed the main part of adding your unemployment income. At that point, the information should be included in your return based on what you entered from the 1099-G. That's all there is to it. Go to Wages and Income, select Unemployment for Form 1099-G, click Add 1099-G, and enter the payer details and Box 1 amount from your form. If you're following along while preparing your return, moving carefully and matching the form exactly will help keep everything accurate and stress-free.